morning everyone. Today is June 11th and what we are going to do today is we will harvest some of our vegetables because I noticed yesterday some of them are already grown. So Terry is gonna be here with me to help me harvest some of the vegetables. So we will start harvesting our cucumbers. Oh, but the problem is we have to remove the lemongrass that we are trying to grow.
You just poured it, I'll get it. Is
Okay.
this one you getting?
Yeah. I think this one is good also. Let's remove that ugly one, the very first fruit. It's just hold on, let me look some more. Let's go to the other side. It's on this side. Hold on, this one is trying to grow away from the trellis, so we'll fix this one. Our string beans are not ready, they're just now growing. But this corn is so tall, I think it's like 12 feet tall. Should we harvest the tomato, Terry, even if it's green? No? Our jalapeno is ready. It's Hungarian wax because I got different types of peppers. Oh, be careful with the flowers and the branches. I will be the one to harvest because your hand is kind of big. It's better to harvest this one so they have space for others to grow. All this. Oh, this one is still small, huh?
I know those okras. Not ready.
What did you see?
There goes the okras right there.
Is it big?
No.
Oh, it's still small. So I think that's about it. Some of our bell peppers are not ready. They're still small. Oh, I need to take this cucumber out because I accidentally planted it here. Now it's grown. I gotta take it out because then it will choke the other plants. Not unless I let them crawl here. Look at that. I had cucumber that accidentally grow here. So what I will do is I will just let them crawl on the trellis here and let it grow all the way up. And probably prune the bottom of the leaves so they will not be all up in here. Because if I transfer it, it might not grow. So we'll just let them crawl right there. So our harvest for today are 5 cucumbers, 4 jalapenos, and 7 of these Hungarian wax peppers. I already harvested some of it. I cooked I think I harvested 4 before, like maybe 2 days ago. I put them on my soup, my sinigang soup. And that's it for today. Just want to show you the moringa that I planted on the ground. We'll go ahead and wash those fruits. Wash them. Let's turn the light on.
Click the bell, please!